Henry?
Here we are.
Where?
Over here.
Oh, there's Crosby. Where's Henry?
Over
Open the door. Let's see.
here.
What are you guys doing in there?
We're hiding.
Why are you hiding?
Because we don't want anybody to bother us.
You didn't want anyone to bother you, huh? How did you get in there?
We take all the stuff out.
You took all the stuff out and you got in there on your own?
Yes.
Good job.
Wait. Let's go.
You're going to go back in there?
Moose, come.
Okay, Moo's coming too?
Fluffy dog,
Oh,
come in with me.
give Fluffy Dog and Moo. Get in there. Oh, and you got your drinks in there too, so you're all set. Okay, get in there.
We can be thirsty.
You can be thirsty and you'll be all set. Are you going to get in?
Yes.
Show me what you did.
We're going to shut the... Go.
Oops, careful. Gentle with your bro.
Go.
Scooch in, Henry. There you go. Scooch in, buddy. Okay, see you guys in a little while.
Okay.
Oh, are you sitting on him? Okay. Ta-da!
We're going to take...
Good job, you.